Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you on a review on Dermalective light therapy LED mask. So let's check out the details of this mask therapy. It is a product that is light therapy LED mask and it is present over online store. The brand showcase a new light therapy mask for enhancing the beauty within minutes at work or home. The Dermalective brand launched the product which claims that it converts the dull skin to nourish and glow one. So how you can use is the direction for using the face mask are before applying face mask you use face serum or face cream. Place face shield comfortably over the face. Press the power button for 3 seconds to power on. Place the mask over the face only for 10 to 20 minutes. To turn off the mask, press the power button until the mask light is not off. Only one power button to turn and off is present. The specification of the product are: the product is a light therapy LED mask. It helps to enhance the beauty and nourishment of your face. Its price is $299. In the face mask, LED light technology is used for treatment. The mask is turned on and off with the help of one power button and it is suitable for all skin type. The advantages of this product are like this product can enhance the beauty, nourishment of and glow of your face. The face mask has anti-aging properties and it was found suitable for all skin type. The disadvantages of this product are the product does not contain any review in the face mask. Sometimes charging issues occur and this product price seems very high. So as we are checking out its effectiveness and value, so we are going to check out in the details. Like the brand has 61% trust score and the reliability of the brand is average. It was created on 14th October 23. It's 2003. So as we have noticed that the brand reliability is average and the connection of the customer toward the brand is not high. Very few customer reviews are found online for this brand. No doubt social media links are available, but we find a lack of information. So we can say that as the brand is available over the internet since 14th October 2003 and its trust score is average too. Very few customers were found and sharing their reviews about this brand and it is not very popular and the product seems newly launched by the brand because its popularity is not seen much. No reviews found that this conclude that the new research required for relying on it. So it's better not to use such products so you may not lose your money.